What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making Beanball Subs. Who needs Subway when you can make it at home? The great thing about this recipe is we've already made several of the components, so as you can see, I've already been cooking. But not to fret, you can still go back to those videos and watch how I made these things. So, I'm gonna pick up where we're supposed to start, because it's the beginning of the video. Alright, so you're gonna need three things that we've already made. You're gonna need your bean balls, you're gonna need your marinara sauce, and you're gonna need your pine nut cream, which is this white goodness right over here. Now, after you've made your bean balls, you're gonna take a cup of your marinara sauce, you're gonna pour it on the bean balls like so. Now we're gonna toss these a little bit. So if you're wondering what we made this for before, it was for our eggplant potato moussaka. And I can tell you it was delightful. It's a pine nut cream, so it's really creamy, has some tofu in it. It's fantastic. Anyway, so you're gonna take all of this and we're gonna put it directly on top of these bean balls. We're gonna bake this for 20 to 25 minutes until the pine nut cream is lightly browned on top. While that's cooking, go ahead and grab your spinach, give it a good rinse, set it off to the side. Fun fact, spinach is a native plant to Persia, or Iran. And because of that, it is still widely known in China as the Persian green. Spinach contains an absurd amount of vitamins and minerals, listed right here. One of the healthiest plants you can eat. Unless you form kidney stones, like me, then you probably shouldn't eat a lot of it, because it has oxalate, which makes it worse. And it has over 5 grams of protein per cooked cup. So if anybody asks you, again, where you get your protein, just tell them you eat a bunch of spinach. Five more minutes. We are lightly browned. Oh, those look good. All right, now you're gonna grab your hoagie rolls. Surprisingly, Kroger has hoagie rolls that are vegan. Suitable for vegans right there. Do like so. This looks ridiculously good. Now let's see how messy we can get. In true meatball sub form, it's really messy. The meatballs, bean balls are of course delicious. I've had those before. Pine nut cream is delicious on its own. This adds a fantastic, hearty, deep, cheesy, rich taste to it. So it's great like as a mozzarella type cheese for a beanball sub. It's really good. I approve. You should make this. If you think you would make this, and you should, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share, and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Beanball sub. Beanball sub. Beanball sub. Nope, 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 nope.